We're at Lossboro Springs through Hidden Valley. So we drove actually 134 miles today. Anyway, mostly rough road. Awesome place. Just totally awesome. Oh, I need to give you the lens cap. Then some wine. Thoroughly enjoying this evening. Just awesome. One more night and our vacation will be over. Do you have anything to add?
I'm very grateful for this here fire. Warming up my toes and my tootsies.
Tootsies? I thought that's the same thing. Tootsies and toes.
Yeah.
Tootsies and toes, tootsies and toes.